such a beautiful night to make a change in our lives. East tangling sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two, to be lying awake and be here talking to you. I got something to say, I know what I gotta do to be making a change, now the moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so perfect? But I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life. A gentle touch of the hand, fingers running through hair, lips pressed to her lips, so I was caught unaware. Arms holding me tight, tears in both of her eyes. What a beautiful way to spend the rest of our lives. The sun will reappear, burning auburn and red. My chest was the pillow, green grass lawn was the bed. Last night was the night, one last moment of truth. And what a wonderful way of falling deeper in you. Why was I feeling nervous when things were going so perfect? But now I know that it's worth it to spend forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee and I ask you, darling, honestly, I've waited all this time just to make it right. So I'll ask you tonight, will you marry me? Just say yes. One word, one love, one life.
But when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white. Yeah, yeah.
Huwag niyong susubuan ng isa't isa. Una, huwag kayong susuko na magpatawad. Kahit gaano pa kasakit, kahit gaano pa kahirap, kahit pa paulit-ulit, tiyak may mga pagkukulang kayo sa isa't isa na magagawa. May mga pagkakamali, may mga pagkakasala kayong magagawa. Pero palagi niyong tatandaan, anumang pagkukulang ng isa't isa, huwag kayong susuko na unawain ang isa't isa. Anumang pagkakamali ang magawa, huwag kayong magsasawa na intindihin ang isa't isa. Anumang pagkakasala ang magawa, huwag kayong susuko na magpatawad. Kahit ilang beses ka pang awayin ito, o magsungit, o magtoyo, o kahit ano pa yung mga pagkukulang at pagkakamali niya, huwag kayong susuko na magpatawad. Charlotte, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib itong si Carl Romwell na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Carl Romwell, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib itong si Charlotte na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Kayo ba ay handang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Diyos bilang mabubuting Katolikong Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father. Mahal, suot mo ang sangsang na ito bilang tanda ng pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mahal, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda na ang ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mahal, inalalaga ko sa iyo itong mga alas at tanda ng aking pagpapahalaga sa pagpagkalinga sa kapakanan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mahal, tinatanggap ko ang mga ito at nangangako iyong magiging katuwang sa wastong paggamit at pangangasiwa ng ating buhay. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ang Espiritu Santo. Amen.
The stars are all watching you shining brighter than them somehow. Days have all faded and there's no more waiting for this right now. Your hand here in mine in all my life. This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part. I can't imagine anything better than all my days. Falling in love over and over with you always. Your hand here in mine in all my life. This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part. The stars are all watching you shining brighter than them somehow. I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving, loving. I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, begging. I'm on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. So don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. So, first time ko gagawin to. Hindi ko alam kung bago ako ng tama. Hindi ko alam kung mapagsabi ako ng matitinong salita dito. Pero boy, alam mo naman, masayang-masaya kami sa'yo. On behalf of Bayawak Boys. Lahat kami dito. Ayan, yung mga nakaupo doon, lahat yun. Kami magkakasama kami. More than 10 years na po kami magkakaibigan. Ayan, kami pong mga, ayan, yung mga loko-loko dyan, yung sumayaw kanina, na hindi natin maintindihan kung sayaw ba talaga. Ayan, wala na pala akong nakasulat dito. Kunwari lang na may tinignan. Yun lang boy. Kanina kasi ewan ko baka naramdaman nyo rin to kasi nasa harap ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nasa harap kanina sa may kasal nila. Kinilabutan ako nung papasok si Charlotte. So, doon pa lang makikita mo yung feeling namin. I-represent ko na lahat dito, yung feeling namin kung gaano kami kasaya sa inyong dalawa. Yun, yung ano na yun, yung basta yung tinasan ka ng kinalabutan ka. We're so happy for the both of you. Charlotte, boy, alam mo na.
Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars outside.
Siguro gusto kong humingi ng pasensya kasi medyo na-late ako. Sumakto naman sa pirmahan, pero pangit pa rin. Masasabi ko lang guys, yung mga problema nyo, mga hindi nyo pagkakaunuan, for the past 4 years, tama? December 15, 2019. Tama ba? December, tama. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, kalimutan nyo na yun. Kasi marami pang parating eh. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Marami pang parating. Pero, yun nga, siguro, respeto lang sa isa't isa, constant communication, coming from someone na hindi pa kasal, sakal pa lang, joke lang, yun. Bukas yung bahay namin always, hindi lang para kay Carl, para rin sa'yo, Charlotte. Tapos, kung may problema man, pwede nating parating daanin sa mabuting usapan. Kami ni Carl, sa mabuting usapan, pero, yun nga, siguro papangako ko sa'yo, Charlotte, iuuwi ko yan kung sakaling may problema man. Kasi parating ganyan si Carl eh. Iyakin po siya, mami. Alam niyo naman yun. Kahit laking tao niyan, pero iyakin po yan talaga. So, again, pag may problema kayo, laging bukas yung bahay namin. Tapos, siguro pro tip lang, or masabi mo na rin, life hack para sa'yo, Carl. Always remember, a happy wife means a happy life. So, congrats again sa inyong dalawa. Alam mo na ibig sabihin nun. Congrats again sa inyong dalawa, tapos mabuhay kayo. Congrats din sa baby. Salamat.
Bigyan po muna natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng bagong kasal. Sorry ha, Miko, di kasi ninang. Ito. First of all, I want to congratulate the newlywed, Carl and Charlotte. Baldo, palakpat. Okay, sorry. Today, a special day for a newlywed, Carl and Charlotte. This is a special day and a new beginning to both of you. Ang marriage ay lalong tumitibay kung kayo ay nagkakaintindihan or nagkakaunawaan sa isa't isa. Kung pareho kayo marunong magkaintindihan, magbigayan sa isa't isa, tatagal yung inyong pagsasama. Ang marriage ay maraming challenges na dumarating kung minsan, kaya huwag niyong kalimutan na magbigayan at pagmahalan at higit sa lahat ang respect niyo sa bawat isa. Carl and Charlotte, this is a new chapter of your lives as a marriage couple. Carl, nakilala kita bilang isang mabuting anak, mabuting kapatid sa iyong dalawang kapatid, Ako bilang isang ninang na napili nyo, masasabi ko lang, nandito kami lahat, hindi lang ako. Kung may problema kayo, just in case na magkaroon kayo ng problema, hingi lang kayo ng advice sa amin. Pero kung kaya nyo naman isolve na kayong dalawa lang, much better yon, di ba? As in, yung problema nyo dalawa, mapag-uusapan nyo, masusolusyonan nyo na kayong dalawa lang. Saka ito pa, si God ang gawin nyo center para mas lalong tumibayan yung pagsasama. Muli, congratulations sa inyo dalawa. Ay, pasensya na.
Siyempre, first of all, I want to congratulate you, mga anak ko, mga mahal kong anak. Maia-advise ko lang sa inyong dalawa, gaya ng sinabi ni Ninang Michelle, magmahalan kayo, huwag niyong aalisin ang respeto sa isa't isa. At lagi niyong tatandaan, tama si Ninang Michelle nyo na i-center niyo si God. Siya ang i-center niyo kasi walang imposible kapag siya yung sinenter nyo sa inyong relasyon. At sa iyo, Charlotte, welcome ka namin sa aming big family. Panatag mo yung loob mo sa tuwing pupunta ka sa bahay dahil hindi ka na iba sa amin. Kung ano ang pagtingin ko kay Carlo, ganun din syempre pagtingin ko sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, lalong-lalo na ang parating nating prinsesa. At sa aking anak, kay Carl, anak, alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. From the first, mahal na mahal kita, anak. Ika nga nila, lagi akong sinasabihin na stage mom ako. Kasi si Carlo, mula nung nag-aral yan, lagi siyang sumasali sa mga pageant sa school. Hanggang mag-college siya. Hanggang sa pagtatrabaho niya yan, hinahatid namin siya kasama yung dalawang kapatid niya. So akala nila talagang stage mom yung papel ko. But I'm proud to be stage mom talaga. Pero ngayon, magkasama na kayo ni Charlotte. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil natagpuan mo na yung talagang mahal na mahal mo, yung makakasama mo sa habang buhay. Sana magsama kayo sa habang buhay. Kung ano man ang mga problema na darating sa buhay nyo, maging matatag kayong dalawa. Kayo lang din talaga ang makakasolve. At saka yung mga problema na yan, iyan ang magpapatibay lalo sa relasyon nyo. Basta kapit lang. At lagi nyo tatandaan na handito ako, na andito kaming lahat. Hindi namin kayo iiwanan kahit anong laban yan. I love you both. Hinihingi ko nga po pala ang pagkakataon na to na magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na naririto, sa aking mga kabalae, sa aking nanay, sa aking biyanan, sa aking ex, at sa aking natawa siya. Hindi, hinihiling ko po na, hinihingi ko po ng pagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sapagkat nilaanan niyo po kami ng time para masaksihan ang napaka-importanting araw para kay Carl at kay Charlotte. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Sa iyo, Carl at saka Charlotte, binabati namin kayo ng maligayang kasal. Tapos, ingatan mo yung aming prinsesa at saka yung aming magiging apo. Yun ang inaano namin ni nanay mo. Maraming salamat din doon sa mga ninong-ninang, sa mga abay, sa lola ni Carl at ganoon din nila Charlotte. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this
pumunta. Alam ko marami ditong mga taong mga busy pero nakagawa sila ng oras para maging nandito. Maraming salamat sa mga magulang ko, sa aking biyenan, sa staff na tumulong sa amin para mapadali itong kasal namin. So, lagi kasi kaming busy parehas. Sa Atsal lang kami available, and then at the same time check up ng the baby. So, we had a little few time para ayusin lahat. So, without yung help ng FAES, ng aming parents, especially my mother, yung mga ninong, ninang na mga sumama din para kami tulungan. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po magiging successful yung kasal namin without your presence here. So, ayun, maraming salamat po. At yun, maraming salamat din po sa mga magulang ni Charlotte dahil kung wala kayo, hindi ko siya makikilala. At ayun, hindi magkakakulay yung mundo ko, hindi magkakailaw dahil ayun, bilang isang binata na walang pangarap, nagkaroon ako ng pangarap dahil sa kanya.
Thank you so much po sa lahat na naka-attend for today. Tsaka po sa lahat ng tumulong to make it possible. Mama Weng, Tito Ryan, si Papa po, ang aking mga parents, and lahat po ng sa family natin po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga guests po namin, friends, office mates, family, thank you so much po sa pag-attend and making your time po para maka-attend dito sa wedding namin. Thank you po.
You taught me everything you've given me. I always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. Yeah. There isn't anything or anyone that I could be, and it just wouldn't feel right if I didn't have you by my side. Oh, you were there for me to love and care for.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment and each other's face. So much in love, you're alone in this place, like there's nobody else in the world. I was enough for her not long ago. I was her number.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my